Here's the Rank Amateur Garage. We're working on the Van Halen. There's been a lot of problems with the fuel system seaming. I replaced the coil, replaced the fuel pump, replaced the purge valve, the vapor canister, the fill purge or valve or whatever that thing is. Looks like it's probably this. Yep, that is the crank position sensor. In the Cherokee groups, the joke is that's always the problem. That wasn't the answer I got on this one. This time, I got a code. So if you're wondering where it is, there's my front diff. That is the front of the oil pan right here. That's the oil pan. There is the crank position sensor right here. And I got brand new GM genuine part. So I'm going to pull this plug. Not sure the size. I do have an 8mm with me, and it appears it is an 8mm. So, if you were wondering where the crank position sensor is, it's a lot easier to get to than it is on a Cherokee. So, see if this helps our dying issue. Alright. So here's the old one. You see it's in pretty gross condition. And there's the new one. Hopefully that takes care of everything. I know I haven't posted much. I've actually done a lot, just haven't had time to video or edit. So, if this helped you, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Rank Amateur Garage.